Hi folks, welcome to Testing Hacks. Today we will see what is RAD model. So RAD is an SDLC model wherein RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. As the name suggests, rapid, the application development will happen rapidly, so quickly. Okay, so it is a type of incremental model. In RAD model, the components or functions are developed in parallel. The developments are time boxed, delivered, and then assembled into working prototype. This gives the customer something to see and use and provide feedback regarding the delivery and the requirement. Okay, so as this happens quickly, but this suppose if you want to see a working model, so within a span, within I mean to say a sprint will be having 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, in that way, so in 2 to 3 weeks, you can see a working software. Okay, so that is what the RAD model is. So there are 5 phases of rapid application development. In these phases, the this development happens. Okay, so the very first is business modeling. So business modeling is nothing but the product under the development is designed in terms of how the flow should be, and all the flow and then the business channels will be developed here. Okay, so here completely a business analysis will be performed, okay, to see how what and all the requirements is required, and how the as per the business how the flow should be. So all these will be considered in the business modeling. And the next step is data modeling. So, what happens? The information gathered in the business modeling phase is reviewed and then analyzed to form the set of data objects. So, for the business, okay. So, these attributes are set to be identified and defined in this phase. Okay. So, and then the relation between the data objects are established in detail with relevance to the business model in the data modeling phase. And next is the process modeling phase. So in this phase, what happens in the data modeling? All the data will be defined, all those process will be done in the data modeling. In process modeling, what happens? The data objects are defined in the data modeling phase, that those are converted into the information flow which is needed for the specific business objects as the business model. Okay, so in easier words, what I can say is, so data objects defined in the data modeling, those are converted to business information flow to achieve something like a business objective. Okay, so wherein what happens, all the CRUD related operations will be taken care here. Hmm? And application generation. So in application generation, what happens? The automated tools and I mean, what and all the uh, actual development needs to be done, right? The actual system is built by coding by using automation tools and are converted and data models into actual prototypes. Okay, and then the last phase is testing and turnover. So what happens, all the testing and then the development whatever has happened will be tested here, and then with that a sign off will be given to the process. So these are the phases of rapid application development. So when it comes to advantages of rapid application development, so um, reduce the time development for development, since we can see a working model within less than it depends on how many days the client wants. So so development time will be consumed little less here, as it is a rapid application development. Increases reusability of components. So the components whichever you have written, you can reuse the same component if there is something similar to it by implementing some common technology, common logic. Quick initial reviews occur. Okay, so with the client itself, you can go and check with the client quickly. So since it is a very small product that has been developed, you can go and get a quick review. Hmm? encourages customer feedback. Okay, integration from very beginning solves lot of integration issues. Okay, so progress can be measured, so we can see how much the project has been progressed. Okay, so when we go to the next agile methodology, we will be seeing how the process will be measured and what and all the metrics we will be considering. All these we will be seeing in agile methodology. Okay, and changing requirements can be accommodated. Okay, so change in requirements are very easy in this rapid application development. Okay, so since it has been designed in a module based way. Disadvantages of rapid application development model: to develop this application, it depends on a strong team and individual performance for identifying the business requirements. Okay, so since this is a quickly that happens development that happens, a strong person who has strong knowledge on development, an individual person should be capable of doing a lot of things. So that is where this is kind of disadvantage for the people like that, to get the people like that. Only system that can be modularized can be built using RAD. So this is a module based, right? So that is the reason requires highly skilled developers or designers, inapplicable to cheaper projects as cost of modeling and automated code generation is very high. Okay, so here it is little costlier compared to other modules. Okay, and then the code generation is very high. Okay, requires user involvement throughout the life cycle. So here, since the process will be happening quickly, the product owner who is getting that product developed needs to monitor this and needs to give the feedback again and again. So what is going on, all this will be in track. Okay, so this is about rapid application development. We saw what are the phases of rapid application development, advantages and disadvantages. If you want more videos like this, please do hit like button. Don't forget to share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, please do mention thumbs up if you want interview questions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.